A warning has been issued around blue Tesla pills that have been circulating clubs and festivals, causing hospitalizations and even deaths. Pictures of the pills have been posted on social media to various pill report pages in order to raise awareness of their dangerous nature. In Bristol last weekend, July 31st, the pills were said to be the cause of one death and 20 hospitalizations. Director of Public Health at Bristol City Council, Christina Gray, said, "We are becoming increasingly concerned about reports of a potentially lethal batch of drugs circulating in the city." She went on to warn the city's club and festival goers. Whilst I advise everyone against the use of illegal substances, I urge anyone who intends to do so to take extra care and be aware of your friends and the help available to you. We have all waited a long time for the weekends to return. Please don't make it your last. Bristol Club Motion took to Facebook to warn potential visitors to venue about the pills. Alongside a photo of the dangerous pill, Motion said, "We are aware of some extra strength pills in Bristol. Please be careful wherever you go this weekend. Please stay safe and look after each other." The caption within the photo urges club goers to speak to a member of staff if they begin to feel unwell. It reads, "You won't be judged if you or a friend feels unwell. Please speak to a member of the bar staff, medic, or security team straight away. They will help and look after you." Tesla pills have been around before, with orange versions having circulated in 2016 and more blue versions in 2017. The orange pills contained a high MDMA content of 240 milligrams per pill, Mixmag reports, and drug safety non-profit organization The Loop warned the people against them when they first surfaced. The blue Tesla pills that appeared in 2017 resulted in a warning being issued by Northumbria police. The pills were believed to be sold as ecstasy, but really contained a combination of meth and cocaine. The current blue Tesla pills are thought to possibly be connected to an other drug-related incident that took place in Tottenham, London last Saturday, July 31st. Police were also called to Warehouse Club, the cause in Tottenham on Saturday morning due to three men become unwell. One of the men, aged 21, died in hospital. The other two men remain in stable condition. The death of the 21-year-old man is thought to be connected to a bad batch of drugs. However, it is unclear whether his death was caused by drugs in pills or powder form, BBC News reports. The club subsequently cancelled the rest of the weekend's events. The cause stated on Instagram, "This weekend's event have been cancelled. We are currently dealing with a medical incident outside of our control and are assisting the police with all investigations. We offer our condolences and sympathy to the family and friends of those involved and are absolutely devastated. Stay safe. Look after your friends and those around you." X. The blue Tesla pills have so far been found in venues in Bristol and London, but could easily have spread to other locations around the country. If you come into contact with the dangerous pills, police recommended you dispose of them immediately. If you do take any drugs and subsequently feel unwell, do not hesitate to reach out to staff and seek medical advice.